Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this beautiful burgundy fall inspired makeup look, and we're going to start off by priming our eye. And I'm going to be going in with the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I'm taking this really light pink all over the crease to start off with. And I'm going to be building this color up. I'm then taking the next darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to be putting that all over the crease as well. And don't forget to blend out, guys, as always. So now with a smaller detail brush, I'm taking that same shade and I'm going to be building it up. And also I'm adding just a tiny tad bit of black. Any black will do. I just wanted to deepen out the outer crease. Wait, no. The outer corners? You know what I mean. I want to deepen out the outer part of my eye to give it more dimension. And of course, as always, we're going to be cutting our crease for this makeup look. And then I'm using this light matte pinky shade in the palette. Don't forget to go back over that with the same brush that we just used. And you guys already know I'm doing a wing. I've actually been laying off wings lately, but I mean, this makeup look calls for it, so yeah. I'm then taking this MAC Mixing Medium and these gold flakes I got from Amazon. I'm using the MAC Mixing Medium, but you guys can use like Duo Glue or whatever you guys want. I just had this in hand, so I'm using this. But you guys definitely can get away with using eyelash glue as long as it's white or clear. And then I'm just placing the flakes all over the crease and on the outer corner. Although these flakes were a pain in the butt to rip apart and make them different sizes to fit the crease of my eye, they're definitely really cool, and I really had to use it for this makeup look. I thought it was very unique and beautiful, and a twist to putting just glitter on the crease, you know what I mean? And it definitely inspires me to do more different looks with these gold glitter leaf things. As you guys can see, I'm using the tweezers to lay down the leaves, and I'm using a brush to apply the glue. And that is because if I try to use the same brush to apply the leaves will actually just stick to the brush instead of to my eyes. So yeah, this is why I'm using this method to apply them. But you know, if you guys find a better method for you, then go for it. And I'm sorry if you guys can hear my dog bark. I can't help it. He's just there barking his life away. So anyways, yeah guys, after I get these gold leaves to my liking, I'm then going to be curling my eyelashes and applying mascara. After the mascara, you guys know I'm going in with lashes next. And then you want to go back and clean up any fallout that may have fallen under your eye, because if you just leave it there, it might just get mixed in with your concealer and it's not going to look pretty. And I'm doing my same old steps, you know, foundation, concealer, powder, and then I'll be right back because I'm doing my contour off camera. And then for the under eyes, I'm just going in with the same colors that I did on the crease, the exact same steps, and then I'm going to be lining my eye with black eyeliner. And of course, you got to put mascara on your bottom lashes because that's going to make the look. And don't forget to highlight your inner corners. And your brow bone, of course. And your nose. And I'm going back and fixing anything that I might have messed up. Oh yeah, and I'm taking the end of these tweezers to apply a little bit more of that glue or mixing medium, and then applying some gold flakes. I don't know, I thought it looked cute, so. And then I'm using these two lipsticks to, I'm gonna use these two lipsticks to fill in my lips. I thought one was too dark and I thought the other one was too light, so I just went in and mixed them to my liking. And this is the final look, you guys. I didn't have time to make an intro, so yeah, but I hope you guys like this makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for all your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm